English, Grade 7, Tape Script 8.24.1. A cinema. A cinema. An internet cafe. An internet cafe. A hospital. A hospital. A restaurant. A restaurant. A bus station. A bus station. Tape Script 8.24.2.
Hi, I'm Linda. My favourite place in my town is the cinema. I like watching movies. We have 8 cinemas in my town. There's a cinema right next to our house. But I don't like going there. I always go to the cinema behind the park. After watching, I go for a walk with my friends in the park. What's Dara's favourite place in his town? I know what it is. Sometimes he goes there with his friends, and sometimes he goes there alone, and sometimes he goes there with his family. Can you guess?
Hi, I'm Along. My favorite place in my town is the park. I love flying above the trees, up so high. Sometimes I meet my friends there too, and we talk and talk and talk. There are 3 parks in my town. I like them all, but my favorite is the one next to the bus station. What's Dara's favorite place in his town? I know what it is. He goes there when he's hungry, but also when he's full. Can you guess?
Hi, I'm Paul. My favorite place in town is the internet cafe. I go there to do my homework and chat with my friends. I'm on Facebook. I've got 500 friends on Facebook. There are 2 internet cafes in my town. I go to the one between the shop and the cinema. What's Dara's favorite place in his town? I know what it is. He buys some food there. But it isn't the shop. People eat here. They have a lot of food. Can you guess?
Hi, I'm Dara. My favorite place in my town is the restaurant. I love eating. There are a lot of restaurants in my town. I don't know how many, but there's a lot, and I like all of them. My favorite is the one opposite my house.
Tape Script 8.24.3. Go straight on. Go straight on. Turn right. Turn right. Turn left. Turn left. Tape Script 8.24.4.
Hi, I'm Along. Can you find my house? Let's see. Okay. Can you see the bus station? Start at the bus station. Go straight on. Then turn right at the cinema. Yes, that's right. Turn right at the cinema. Now can you see the 2 shops? Turn left at the small shop. Turn left at the small shop, not the big shop. Keep going straight on. There is a park opposite the restaurant. Can you see the park opposite the restaurant? Good. That's where I live. That's my nest right there. That's my house.